Hi everybody and welcome back. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for tuning in and shopping with me so you know what to look for on your next shopping trip to Dollar Tree. Let's get started. Check out these adorable makeup bags that I found just for Mom for Mother's Day. Make sure you grab one for yourself because they're super cute. Making a basket for Mother's Day is going to be super easy with all these cute little items that they have at Dollar Tree. You can even make your basket super fancy by taking these items and wrapping them in the cute floral napkins that they have. Dollar Tree is doing a great job at getting all the body washes and lotions in high-end looking packages. I personally use a lot of the Dollar Tree products in my home. These are just a few of the items that I picked up for my own personal use when I was at my last Dollar Tree visit. The Sea Glass Driftwood Reed diffuser is very nice for my bathroom. And I also got this matching set of facial cream, the face mist, and the facial wash. And it looks so cute in my little seashell basket. Check out this face mister. I love it, and it's going to be a cute addition to my Mother's Day basket. And while you're there, if they have them, make sure to pick up one of these facial vibrating massagers. It'll be the perfect addition for your Mother's Day basket. We're definitely going to include these candle holders in our basket. They can also be used for flowers, spare change, or as a key holder. Okay, these are my favorite. I love these, the new mini lanterns in these super cute colors for summer. Dollar Tree has a great selection now of Mother's Day cards. Don't wait because they might not last very long. I like that all of these are covered in plastic so they stay nice, and for $1.25 they're an excellent deal. Check out these frames for Mother's Day. They're super cute. These diffusers are a great addition to your Mother's Day basket. And right now, while supplies last, Dollar Tree has a great selection of bags to put all your goodies in for Mom. These masks are a great addition to your Mother's Day basket, and for $1.25, they're a great deal. Now, you can buy these masks elsewhere from anywhere from $4 to $8, or you can get them at Dollar Tree for $1.25. If you find this one in your store, pick it up. They don't always have it. Rose water and aloe facial mist. This body oil is a new one, so I thought I'd try it, and I love it. This one's a full collection of body butter and lotions, and if you can find everything matching, it would make a great set. And here's another high-end looking body oil, and it's so good. This is one of my favorites. Now, it wouldn't be Mother's Day without flowers for Mom, and it's always nice to get fresh flowers, but sometimes it's nice to decorate your package with flowers. And what I'm going to do this Mother's Day is I'm going to get one of the bags that I showed you earlier, and I'm going to wrap up all her little gifts in napkins with bows, and then I'm going to top it off with some of these beautiful flowers. I'm so excited to make this one. Dollar Tree always has a great selection of flowers, and personally, if I'm going to make projects or DIYs, I'm going to go to Dollar Tree for flowers because they are cheaper than some of the other places that you can get them, and the quality of the flowers have been really good this year. I hope you enjoyed this video for Mother's Day, and it gives you some great ideas of what you can get for Mom. Until next time, happy shopping, happy Mother's Day, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.